Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we're going to discuss a fascinating topic that's taking the tech world by storm, that is Flutter. That's right. If you've been wondering why so many developers and companies are switching to Flutter for mobile app development, this video is for you. We'll explore the reasons, benefits, and even a few challenges of using Flutter. So stick around till the end because we've got a lot to cover. First, let's address the question, why is Flutter making waves? Flutter is Google's open source UI software development kit. In simple terms, it helps developers create beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile web and desktop all from a single code base. The idea of one code base for all platforms is like music to a developer's ears, right? Did you know Flutter was initially released in 2017? In just a few years, it's become one of the most popular frameworks for app development. In fact, big names like Alibaba, Google Ads, and even BMW use Flutter for their apps. Okay, so what's the magic behind Flutter? Let's break it down. First is single code base. Imagine writing one set of code and deploying it on both Android and iOS. That's what Flutter does. Developers save time, effort, and money by not having to maintain separate code bases. Second is Dart programming language. Flutter uses Dart, a language developed by Google. It's easy to learn and super fast, which means developers can build apps quicker than ever. Third is Hot Reload. This feature is a game changer. With Hot Reload, developers can see changes instantly without restarting the app. It's like editing a Word document and seeing your changes appear in real time. No more long wait times during debugging. So, why are developers loving Flutter? Here's where things get interesting. Developers have their reasons for loving Flutter, and I brought a few to share with you. First is stunning UI. Flutter makes it ridiculously easy to create visually stunning apps. Its rich set of widgets allows for highly customizable designs that feel native to each platform. Second is performance. Flutter's apps are natively compiled, meaning they're super fast and responsive. No lag, no jitters, just smooth performance. Third is community support. Flutter has a thriving community. If you need help, you've got forums, GitHub, and even Reddit buzzing with discussions and solutions. So, we have another question. Why are businesses adopting Flutter? Developers are not the only ones excited about Flutter. Businesses are jumping on board too, and here's why. First is cost effectiveness. With a single code base, businesses don't need separate teams for Android and iOS. This saves a ton of money on development costs. Second is faster time to market. Since Flutter speeds up the development process, businesses can launch their apps faster. And in today's competitive market, speed is everything. Third is scalability. Flutter isn't just for small apps. It's scalable enough to handle enterprise level applications too. Companies like eBay Motors and Tencent trust Flutter for their apps. Let's talk about some real world success stories. First we have is Alibaba. Alibaba uses Flutter for its CNU app, which has over 50 million users. The app is smooth, fast, and reliable, all thanks to Flutter. Second is Google Ads app. Google's very own Google Ads app was built using Flutter. It's a perfect example of how Flutter can handle complex functionality while maintaining a sleek design. Third is BMW. BMW's app, which provides a seamless experience for customers, is another testament to Flutter's capabilities. Challenges and misconceptions of Flutter. Of course, Flutter isn't perfect. Let's address some challenges. First is app size. Flutter apps can be slightly larger in size compared to native apps. However, the difference is usually negligible. Second is learning curve. Dart is easy to pick up, but it's still a new language for many developers. That said, once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Third is native features. While Flutter covers most native features, there might be cases where you need to use native code. But with Flutter's plugins, even this isn't much of a hassle. Now, let's talk about the future. Google is heavily investing in Flutter and it's constantly evolving. With its growing popularity and robust community, Flutter is here to stay. I wouldn't be surprised if Flutter becomes the go-to framework for mobile web and desktop applications in the next few years. So, should you switch to Flutter? Here's my opinion. If you're looking for a framework that's fast, cost effective, and capable of delivering beautiful apps, Flutter is an excellent choice. However, it's always a good idea to evaluate your project's specific needs before making a decision. And that's all for today. Flutter is truly changing the game for mobile app development. From its single codebase to its stunning UI and cost effectiveness, it's no wonder everyone is switching to Flutter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, are you ready to try Flutter for your next project? Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.